Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of no internet secure problem in Windows 10 11. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the type run command here, and at here you have to type ncpa.cpl. Here it is. Select this and click on OK. And you have to right click on your Wi-Fi and then go to the properties, and in at here you have to uncheck these options. Firstly, client for Microsoft network, file and printer sharing, and third one is QoS packet scheduler, and drop it down and also uncheck this option as well, internet protocol version. Uncheck these options and select OK. So after this you have to go to step 2, which is basically you have to go to device manager. Type here device manager and open this device manager control panel, and at here you have to find out network adapter. Here it is. You have to drop it down and find out your Wi-Fi connected. Here it is. In my case, Intel R dual band wireless AC3168 number 2. This is the Wi-Fi that I am using. You can also check it from this command as well. Like at here you can check. Here is the Wi-Fi name. As you can see, Intel R dual band wireless AC. So you can check it for your laptop Wi-Fi. So you have to just right click on it and click on update driver and click on search automatically for driver. So after this your issue will be fixed and your not internet secure problem will be fixed. If you like my video, so kindly like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.